Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.
10 amazing Photoshop fails. While curving her butt to make it look bigger, they accidentally curved her surfboard too. Somebody was trying to make his stomach look thinner, and they accidentally curved the straight lines behind him as well. They photoshopped her one big boob, but they forgot the other one. Look closely at the wall to the left of his stomach. They made him thinner and screwed up the lines behind him. Nothing wrong with this image, except they screwed up the selfie stick arm, warping it, making her chest bigger. Look over his right shoulder, you can see where they skewed the line behind him, making his shoulders bigger. And I'm pretty sure the ocean only bloats up like that when you're curving to make their top curvier. All I can see here is a wrist that's been bloated out of proportion to make biceps even bigger than they are. They made the thigh gap better, but the stairs aren't straight anymore. What happened here? And if this represents the people of Target, well then I'm going back to Walmart because she's got messed up thigh gap. And comment below if this is real or photoshopped. We want to hear from you. Goodbye.